Oh wow, so another in the back. Puffer fish. I can't get fish because I'll get too attached to them, and it's no proper. You have to be a professional to have fish, because their water has to be right at all times, and I can't do that. I tried before.
Yo, I gotta find a bathroom.
All right. Might be in the front.
Can I have my phone back?
Yeah.
Thanks. African side-neck turtle. I just gotta have a place to chill.
Hi, do you see me? I see you. Really?
Yeah, a little gray. I don't think it's from here.
What's the number?
62.
Smart person.
Yeah, I know. I
You're
think
gonna
you're
find
smart
it.
in most ways. I
No.
might have you beaten something or something.
Being a good boy.
Your lotion is spicy.
I get caught up in my own head and I don't pay attention. So I apologize for causing you traumatic emotions. I really do apologize for that. You accept my apology?
Don't look right now. Okay, here we go.
Do you want to tell me what's on your
Oh
mind?
my god, I need a cover. It's so cold.
It's a work in progress, I guess.
Are you gonna smoke with me?
Yeah.
Okay.
You do?
No.
Okay. You look in there.
You found yours?
I have my car keys. I'm looking for the key card though. The room.
What the fuck? I have to check my fucking lottery tickets. It's probably not gonna be enough for
Why is that?
me. So I'm gonna bring more.
Smart.
Okay. I'll be back. Okay.
What?
I'm talking.
What?
Huh?
What?
Huh?
Huh?
I'm telling them that I'll be back.
Oh, okay.
Water and collect rock.
Yeah.
And we have a rock collection.
It's just fucking my wrist.
Me. Look at the fucking camera and answer the question. Literally.
Yes, I am.
Oh, you don't want to fucking say something to the camera? You can't look me in the eyes and say a fucking complete sentence. What's wrong with that? I love eye contact. Why won't you look at me? Because you know I'm fucking right, baby. You know you haven't answered the question. It's been 5 minutes and 20 seconds and she has not answered the question. I'm waiting for a simple answer. I'm curious how long this will take because it's a simple yes, we are in a relationship, or no, we are not. She will not give me a complete sentence to my face while she's not fucking doing 3 other things at the same time. She's on her fucking laptop. I'm trying to have a conversation with her, and she doesn't. We're over. Are we in a relationship? No. Okay, please.
Bye.
Say
Bye, Patrick.
Say you're
Bye,
breaking up with me.
Patrick.
You're breaking up with me?
I'm breaking up with you.
Okay.
Don't disrespect someone else.
That's that. She doesn't understand. She doesn't understand. She doesn't understand how to have a conversation. She's too introverted, and she doesn't really speak English, to be honest, not fluently, which is a shame. Yeah. It's over. I'm sick of this bullshit.
So we're gonna get ready for pictures. We're not ready. Because Papa's not ready. Papa's not ready. Are you? You're almost ready. I want to get pictures by this. Link.
Potty mouth.
Mean. You're mean to me.
I don't want to be mean to you.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Fucking stuffed animal or something.
Not even that strong. Just happened,
What the fuck? What the fuck?
I fucking tripped, dude.
Pat.
You were leaning back into me and I leaned forward.
It's okay.
I wasn't expecting you to lean forward so quickly because you were leaning back.
Did you close your eyes?
No, you were fucking pushing back on me, so I was leaning forward, and then you leaned forward right as I leaned forward, and I tripped on that fucking cord when I was trying to catch myself with my feet. I think I'm alright. This is a fucking hard ground, man. Oh, damn. I'll be alright. Oh, damn, that fucking hurts.
There's like rocks over here. Where's Papa? Papa, you're still it.
He scratched his ear, but I'm trying to distract him from his own reflection, if that's what he's seeing. It slows him down.
This is crazy. I've never seen something like this in my life. He's losing his fucking mind. Oh my God. Something's wrong with him. Is he paralyzed, bro? Shut the fuck up now.
He's not running around. He's not.
Oh, I thought he was paralyzed, bro.
Oh, he calmed down. That's good.
Did he?
Calm down.
You fucking scared me. What the fuck? Look. I don't know. Pat, we want this one too. Me and the bunnies want the shrimp and plant oasis. Are these all the animals? Oh. Hi. Really? You're so cute. I have to learn how to take care of birds before I get one because I don't want to hurt anything or anybody.
Same.
Things are really delicate. Hi. I love baby. Little birds. Oh my God, babes, don't hurt yourself. Ah! Oh my gosh, these fucking animals are pissed. I feel bad. Tropical. You're sweet.
Fancy bear. He's $22.99.
We want him. Can we help him, Papa?
Hey, buddy.
I want it.
You want it?
Yeah. Me and the bunnies. Me and the bunnies want him.
Get him.
No, you're gonna.
I can't keep him at my parents' house. I can't keep him in my car. I have nowhere to
Pat,
keep him.
I'm totally joking. I'm gonna slap the shit out of you.
Alright, well, we'll get our own place and then we'll fucking get him.
You're gonna get him? Okay. We're gonna be back.
We will get him.
We're gonna be back, Fancy Bear.
I ain't team.
No, Pat's gonna do everything.
Calm down. Fucking relax. Calm the fuck
Oh my
down.
God, Pat, look! This is fucking crazy. You missed it. He was just riding a hamster wheel.
Hey, little guy.
We want him too. Shut up.
I got pissed.
All right.
I don't like this place.
You really don't?
This place is a prison for animals.
Oh, okay.
I'm out.
Pat, are you serious? I didn't even get to see all of them. This is from my Papa. Thank you, Papa. This is Papa.
I'm not really crazy about the business model of giving up what you work very hard to achieve. Subscription, 6,000 people paying you every month is a good business. It looks like you want to scale, but I still think it's figured out yet. And this is a little dangerous for me, so.
I really love what you're doing. Thank you. I personally.
He said it's a little dangerous for me, so I'm out. I'm gonna fucking
focus on
scream.
this business. So I'm going to say I'm out.
Samantha, I'm not going to take a journey with you. I've been in your sector and spent many, many years of my career in it. And I swore that when I left and I exited that was it for me and I would try new things. I'm out.
What in the fuck did she do?
What I see here is you are a tremendously great entrepreneur. You reinvented your business from what I'm counting here roughly 3 times. You're going into another new model. I feel like I'm watching someone who's frightened and not quite sure which is the right way to go. Am I reading that?
My kissy kissy.
It's not that I'm not sure. I'm sure that this
Oh my
is
gosh,
the
it's
right way to
changing
go.
like
Of course I'm
several
frightened.
colors. It was just like yellow.
Naturally
It's
am a very
fucking.
conservative person. I'm
I'm
like,
sure.
no, like
Yeah.
don't spend the money, hang on to everything.
I don't call that conservative, I call that smart.
Thank you. But I also realized
La,
that
la,
to make Hopscotch what it
la,
needs to be, we do.
This is what the shit that I go through.
You sweep me off my feet,
This is the shit that I go through, guys.
You sweep me off my feet. This isn't shit. Oh. Hey, little guy. It's a cute snake.
Hey, little guy. It's a fucking python.
It's
Aren't
a
they
lit-
poisonous?
It's a little guy.
Oh my god.
Why do I doubt they're selling poisonous snakes?
A python?
Is a python poisonous?
Cashier, I'm not.
Word. Look at this
Oh
guy.
my god, look, look, look,
Dude,
look.
look at these little guys, these geckos.
Oh my.
Now that would be a cool pal.
Hell no. Fucking lose him.
Maybe.
Alright. Let's go for help. I want to see fish. Look at the little bitches. I got in trouble at a pet store once when I was a kid.
Yeah?
Because I was tapping the fish tank. And the fish were jumping.
Miss, the little guy, the hamster calmed down and was like scratching and then he got open. Do you know where the bathroom is?
Oh. Oh, why are you by yourself? Oh, you're probably crazy. Oh, you're staring at all the other fish. Have a great time, and you're fucking isolated over here. I'm sorry. You're so cute. Oh. Yeah, they're like, oh, get me, get me. You're like, get me, get me, get me. Oh no, they're together. Oh, he's scared. I should probably show what kind of fish there. Let's start over. Ooh, silver. Molly. You ready? Okay.